You need some help? Here, let's take it. Wow, what's that?
Candy.
Here, let's turn it up this way. Oh my goodness.
Easter bunny clothes.
Wow, let me see. Oh, I love it. Do you love it?
Yep, I do.
Wow, what else is in there?
A Hello Kitty. A Hello Kitty shirt.
Wow, that's so pretty. What else is in there? I love that basket. Look, it's like a big, it's got princesses all over it.
Mom, look it.
Oh, I like those. Can you show them to me though? No, over here. Show them over here. Oh, those are pretty. Okay. I like them. Anything else? Looks like you have a whole... Wow. That's cute. What else? Why are you showing it to the wall? What's that? Oh my goodness.
I want to pay that right
Well,
now.
Okay, well, we'll look at it in a minute. Can you see what else is in your basket?
Oh, no.
It looks like there's a lot of candy. Oh, wow. What is all that stuff? Oh my goodness. Princess stuff. Wow, there's so much cool stuff in there. Can you say thank you to Nana and Grampy?
Thank you, Nana and Cookie.
And say Happy Easter. We love you.
Happy Easter.